Woodworking is a wonderful blend of art and craftsmanship, offering endless opportunities for creativity. Many woodworking projects are not only enjoyable to create, but also make fantastic gifts or items for sale. They can enhance home decor, serve practical purposes, and reflect individuality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to explore, there's a wealth of ideas waiting to be transformed into beautiful, handcrafted pieces. Many woodworking projects can transform any space into a personalized haven. By creating unique pieces that reflect individual tastes, woodworkers can tap into a growing market for customized home decor. Items can range from wall art to decorative accents, appealing to customers who value distinctive and meaningful additions to their homes. Marketing these pieces through social media platforms or local craft fairs can effectively reach an audience eager for one-of-a-kind items. Practical kitchen accessories. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, making it a prime area for many woodworking projects. Crafting small, functional items can enhance the cooking and dining experience while appealing to consumers seeking both utility and style. Highlighting the sustainability of using natural materials can attract eco-conscious buyers, further positioning these products as thoughtful and responsible gift options. Custom office supplies. As remote work continues to thrive, personalized office supplies have become increasingly popular. Many woodworking projects like stylish desk organizers or unique pen holders can help individuals elevate their workspace. By offering customization options, such as engraving names or logos, woodworkers can carve out a niche market that appeals to professionals looking to enhance their productivity with personalized touches. Garden decor. Many woodworking projects can extend into outdoor spaces, where small decorative items can bring charm and functionality to gardens. Crafting pieces that resonate with nature lovers allows woodworkers to connect with customers who appreciate the beauty of outdoor aesthetics. Emphasizing the environmentally friendly aspect of using reclaimed wood can further enhance appeal, catering to consumers focused on sustainability. Children's educational tools. Crafting small toys or educational tools for children can be a fulfilling endeavor. Projects that promote learning through play not only serve a practical purpose, but also tap into a market where parents are looking for safe, durable options. Marketing these items as both fun and beneficial for child development can attract buyers who prioritize quality and educational value in their purchases. Seasonal decor. The demand for seasonal decorations provides a fantastic opportunity for many woodworking projects. Creating items that celebrate various holidays or seasons allows woodworkers to engage with consumers throughout the year. By offering limited edition pieces, they can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, encouraging customers to purchase unique decor that enhances their celebrations. Functional art pieces. Merging functionality with artistic expression can yield profitable mini woodworking projects. Items that serve a dual purpose, such as artful hooks or decorative storage solutions, can attract consumers looking for beauty in everyday objects. By marketing these pieces as both art and utility, woodworkers can appeal to a broad audience that values craftsmanship and design. DIY kits. Offering DIY mini woodworking kits can tap into the growing interest in crafting and hands-on activities. These kits provide an engaging experience for customers, allowing them to create something meaningful while developing their skills. Promoting these kits as family-friendly activities can attract parents looking for creative ways to bond with their children, expanding the market reach. Upcycle projects. Emphasizing sustainability through the use of upcycle materials can resonate strongly with eco-conscious consumers. Crafting mini projects from reclaimed wood not only reduces waste, but also tells a compelling story behind each piece. Marketing these items as environmentally friendly can attract customers who appreciate the uniqueness and character that comes from using salvage materials. Event and wedding decor. Many woodworking projects can play a significant role in enhancing special events like weddings or parties. Creating custom decor items for these occasions allows woodworkers to tap into a lucrative market. By highlighting the personalized aspect of handmade products, they can attract couples and event planners looking for unique touches that reflect their style and vision. In conclusion, many woodworking projects offer a wealth of opportunities for creativity and entrepreneurship. By focusing on personalization, sustainability, and functionality, woodworkers can create appealing products that resonate with a diverse customer base. Effective marketing strategies can further enhance visibility and demand, making these projects a fulfilling and profitable venture. Embracing the handmade aspect not only elevates the craftsmanship, but also fosters a deeper connection with consumers who value quality and individuality. If you enjoyed these creative mini woodworking project ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Hit that like button if you found these ideas helpful, and share this video with your friends who love crafting or woodworking. Your support helps us create more amazing projects and tips for you.